Hi everyone, I am Fiza Zaidi, your communication coach and English language specialist. Let's be honest for a second. When you have a long, complex 12-word sentence in the PTE repeat sentence section, what is your immediate reaction? Panic, trying to scribble down the initials of every single word on your scratch pad? Stop right there. You are treating repeat sentence like a memory contest, and that is exactly why your score is stuck. What if I told you that you don't need a perfect memory to get a flawless 90 out of 90? In today's video, I am going to show you the ultimate psychological shift and the shadowing techniques that will completely change how you approach this task. Plus, I will show you how to test this yourself using our state-of-the-art BandLadder AI platform and the BandLadder app. Let's dive straight in. So the very first one is the math of the score guide, fluency over content. Before we talk about tricks, let's look at how the Pearson AI actually grades you. For every sentence, you get 5 marks for oral fluency, 5 marks for pronunciation, and 3 marks for content. Now do the maths. Fluency and pronunciation make up 10 out of 13 raw marks. Content is only 3 marks. Psychologically, we think if I repeat every word perfectly, I get more marks. Sure, that's true. But what happens when you try to memorize a massive sentence? You hesitate, you say, or you fumble. The moment you stutter, your fluency drops to a 1 or a 2. You might get 3 out of 3 for content, but you just destroyed your fluency. Here is the trick, the 50-60% content rule. According to the official score guide, if you get just 50 to 60% of the words exactly right, you don't get 0 for content. You get 2 out of 3. If you pair that 2 out of 3 content with a perfect 5 out of 5 for fluency and a 5 out of 5 for pronunciation, you end up with 12 out of 13. When the algorithm scales this up, it converts directly into a maximum score for your speaking and listening sections. It can literally get a 90 on 90 while missing almost half the sentence. Yes, you heard it right, half the sentence. Now let's talk about how it works. Let's see how this works in real life using a technique called shadowing combined with your cognitive limit. I will take one contextual reference, okay, and what you have to do, you need to listen to it carefully, and it will be given on the screen also. Okay, so if you listen to your capacity, your brain might naturally latch onto the first 60 to 70% of the sentence. The moment you hit your capacity wall, stop trying to absorb new words. Instead, use the shadowing reflex. Echo the speaker immediately with zero hesitation. If you deliver any contextual reference, you make and then you stop after a while because you are out of the words. So stop right there with a clean cutoff, and you have spoken more than 50% of the words perfectly. Your rhythm is flawless. Your intonation matches the speaker. You get a perfect fluency score. Compare that to a student who tries to force the whole thing and say, fillers. I hope you are understanding my point here. So what I'm trying to say, that broken delivery is a score killer. Always start from the absolute beginning of the sentence. Ride the wave of the speaker's rhythm. Capture the first 5 to 7 words flawlessly and confidently. Close the microphone. Make sure stop over-engineering. Now let's talk about what not to do. I see so many students trying to write down the first letter of every word as it plays. Like suppose the initials A, T, R, Y, M, and then they start at their notes blankly trying to decode it. Well, we used to have this method before, but not right now. Don't over engineer this. Writing splits your focus. Repeat sentence require 100% auditory attention. You need a platform that grades you exactly like the real Pearson exam, so you can build confidence in this 60% rule. That is why we build the Band Ladder AI evaluation system. When you practice on our desktop portal or the mobile Band Ladder app or AI, our AI doesn't just give you a random percentage. It breaks down your response line by line, scoring your exact oral fluency, your pronunciation, clarity, and your content alignment. It acts as a mirror, showing you exactly how dropping a few words while maintaining a steady flow keeps your scores in the 80s and 90s. Now let's move to conclusion and call to action. Well, get the perfectionist mindset out of your head. Work on your psychology, embrace the natural flow of English, and let the AI scoring work for you, not against you. If you want to practice this strategy with real exam prediction questions, download the Band Ladder app right now or visit our AI evaluation portal. Let's get you that 90 out of 90. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your fellow PTE aspirants, and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below letting me know what your biggest struggle is with repeat sentence. This is Fiza Zaidi signing off from Band Ladder. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I will see you in the next video.